It is hot, and as Floridians we know, after it gets hot, it gets wet. The rain is on its way, and we know with rain comes roof problems. We're here to help you. We're here to answer your call. The main thing is to remember, be patient. We'll get to everyone as soon as we can, and we're gonna make sure that you don't have any leaks or issues or problems that we can't fix. We can always tarp until we can get that roof put on or that repair fixed. That way we stop any leaks that are upcoming, because once this rain starts, it's gonna be every day. We wanna make sure you're taken care of up until that point.